Step-by-step guide on how to make passive income with ChatGPT, using free traffic. Hey there, welcome to Money Hub. I am Sophia. If you're looking to make passive income online, I've got a fantastic strategy for you that combines the power of ChatGPT and Amazon affiliate marketing. So get ready for a step-by-step guide on how you can start making money with this amazing method. First, let me show you how this strategy works, what others are doing to generate income, and how you can use ChatGPT and AI to start earning money online. And the best part is you'll be using 100% free passive traffic. Let's check out some examples of people crushing it with this strategy on YouTube. Take a look at this channel, Hot Deals Express. When we click into the video, first we can see that this channel monetizes with YouTube ads. Then when we look into the video, you can see that they only use faceless video, they don't show their face. Let's look at the description box. You can see that they post the affiliate link in the description. According to Social Blade, they earn up to $1,100 per month just from YouTube ad revenue, not even including affiliate marketing. Next, let's look at another channel called Top Tech Now, earning up to $5,800 from YouTube ads every month. When we click into video first, we can see their ads, then we can see they also create faceless videos. And in the description box, they use Amazon links for affiliate marketing. Another channel, The 5 Best, earns up to $3,000 from ad revenue alone every month. You can see that they also create faceless videos and use Amazon links for affiliate marketing. These channels are crushing it with affiliate marketing and content creation, and I'll be showing you today to help you use ChatGPT and the strategy like them to make money online. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, ring the bell for the latest videos, and give us a like for our support. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Find a niche and create content with ChatGPT. First, find a popular niche. Use vidIQ. Type in the keywords you want to search. Let us use Chromebooks as an example. You need to look into search volume every month and competition. It is better to find high search volume and low competition, and it means you'll have a higher chance of ranking on YouTube and attracting free traffic. You can try vidIQ for free. The link in the description. Once you've found your niche, head to ChatGPT. You can create engaging content with product features, benefits, and pricing. We continue to use Chromebook as an example. I asked ChatGPT to suggest me 5 top Chromebook 2023 to me. You can also ask ChatGPT write the entire script for you. The data of ChatGPT only to 2021. To access up-to-date information, you need to add Web ChatGPT Chrome extension. Link can find in description box. Step 2. Use Pictory to create faceless videos. With your content ready, head over to Pictory, and video editing tool that lets you create professional videos without any experience. You can try for free and the link in the description box. You can choose script to video. Then back to ChatGPT to copy the script. Then paste the script into Pictory. Then choose the template you want and wait for the tools to finish the video for you. We can edit video to what you want. First, go to Visuals. Then you can change the video from the media library. You can also search the video you want in this bar. Click Audio. You can add background music and voiceover. You can also add text-to-speech. Choose the voice you like and click Applied. Or you can upload your own voice. Using Pictory, you can create video without showing your face or even your voice. Step 3. Sign up for Amazon Associates Program. Join the Amazon Associates Program and earn up to 10% in commissions by promoting products on your videos. Sign up, recommend products, and start to monetize your content. Step 4. Optimize your YouTube videos. Create an attractive title with ChatGPT's help. You can choose the one you think the best. I choose Top 10 Chromebooks You Can't Miss in 2023 as an example. Then you can ask ChatGPT to help to write the description of the video. And use keywords your audience is searching for. You can install vidIQ extension to find the right tags. And create eye-catching thumbnails with Canva's free templates. Step 5. Upload your videos to YouTube. Upload your videos to YouTube, and don't forget to include those affiliate links in the description. This way, viewers can purchase products through your links, and you'll earn commissions. Love this method? Let us know by commenting yes below. By following these simple steps and using ChatGPT and AI tools, you can create a successful online business using ChatGPT and Amazon affiliate marketing. Before you go, please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and give us a like for support. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to making this work. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and start making money today. See you next time.